7. Bit of a mess up on my part. I've probably done about 2 hours of video of the last few days work, and I put it on the computer, started editing it and forgot to save it, and then deleted off the SD card, so that's all gone unfortunately. So I do have a bit of footage for you which I'll show you in a moment, but the bits I missed out, unfortunately, I got the heat shield, so I've repaired that heat shield now. It wasn't bad, needed a good clean up and had a couple of holes in it, so that's repaired now. And the exhaust is fully fitted on the car. Fitted the exhaust this morning, and when I come to fit the intermediate pipe and rear box, what I found was one of the bolts on the catalyst had been previously broken and just been cut short, and because it was a new exhaust with a new flange on there, I couldn't get it to line up properly. So the footage you'll see in a moment is where I've had to take the catalyst off again and basically get the old bolt out and put a new bolt in, weld it in place. So that was a bit of a pain, but really disappointing actually, because I missed the first start. So the good news is you don't have to watch me through fitting the exhaust once, taking it off and then fixing the catalyst to put it on again. Like I say, the engine's all done now. It's run up. I run it up to operating temperature earlier, fan cut in and out. I did find, unfortunately, there's a couple of drips of coolant on the floor, so I don't know whether I've got a leak or just where it's spilt a little bit maybe, but I've put something underneath tonight. I'll let it rest overnight and see if there's any drips on the floor in the morning. It'd be rude not to start it up, give it a little rev for you, so it's pretty late in the evening. I better not rev it up too much, but obviously we can do now. So it sounds lovely, doesn't it? That's me upset the wife, kids, neighbours, and the house now stinks of fuel for the evening, so I'll be in trouble.